Welcome all of you for the fifth semester of academic year 2020-21. Okay, myself Akshata Prabhu. Okay, in this video we are going to see about the syllabus of cost and management accounting for the uh, fifth semester. Okay, under this there are six chapters. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, unit first, job and batch costing. Okay, unit 2, contract costing. Unit 3, process costing. Unit 4, joint products and byproducts. And unit 5, accounting for byproducts. And unit 6, operating costing. Okay, now we'll see one by one. The unit first, job and batch costing. Under the job and batch costing, we are going to study about the nature, purpose and procedures of the job costing, advantages and limitations, activity based costing. Okay, what are the advantages, what are the limitations of the job and batch costing, and what are the procedures to calculating the job cost and batch cost. Okay, these are the things we are studying under the first chapter. Then under the unit second, this is the contract costing. Under that, what is the meaning of contract and the features of the contracts, and what are the types of the contract, and what are the methods of calculating the contract cost, how to calculate the contract cost. Okay, cost plus contract, and the uh, recording of value and profit on contract. These are how to calculate the profit on the contract, cost of the contract. These are the things we are covered under the second chapter, contract costing. Under the unit 3, this is the process costing. Under this, meaning difference between the job costing and process costing, problems on the process costing, with process losses and without process losses, and normal loss, abnormal loss, and the abnormal gain, and the inter-process transfer at profit. Under that, meaning and problems. Okay, under this only the process costing and means at the time of producing a particular product is going through the different processes, right? So we are preparing the account for the different processes, and what are the methods to calculate the different process, and what are the procedure to calculate the cost of each process. Okay, under the next one, unit 4, joint products and byproducts. Okay, joint products and the byproducts. Okay, what are the meaning of joint product and byproducts? Okay, and accounting for joint products, apportionment by physical measurement, apportionment on market value at separation point, apportionment on market value after further processing. These are the different methods under the joint and byproducts. Okay, under the joint product. Next, fifth one, accounting for the byproducts. Okay, fourth one is only for the joint product, fifth one is accounting for the byproducts. Under this, what is the meaning of the byproducts, and what is the difference between the joint product and the byproducts, and the non-cost and sales value method, means under the different methods to calculate the cost of the byproducts. Okay, non-cost and sales value method, other income method, total sales method, and the net cost method. These are the things we are covering under the byproducts. What are the different methods, and some other cost methods are there. Okay, non-cost methods and the cost methods. Okay, now cost methods, opportunity cost method, standard cost method, and a joint cost method. Under this, under the cost method only the theory part, under the non-cost method, theory and problems for the byproducts. Okay, this is about the chapter 5. Okay, next we'll see about the unit 6, that is the operating costing. Okay, operating costing, what is the meaning of operating costing? Okay, what are the features of operating costing, and the cost unit. Okay, unit of a particular cost of a particular unit, and the operating cost statement, how to prepare the operating cost statement, and problems on the transport costing only. Under the operating costing, okay, only the problems relating to the transportation system. Operating costing is nothing but relating to the service providing, right? Okay, the service relating to the transportation system. Under this we are solving the problems only to the problems relating to the transportation costing only. This is about the 6th chapters. Okay, these are the syllabus of your 5th semester cost and management accounting. And the books for study and reference, you can refer the cost accounting by S.P. Jain, M.N. Arora, and the K.S. Sadiga, Ravi M. Kishore, and any other M.L. Agarwal. And you can refer the cost and management accounting by Balakrishna Shetty, okay? And cost and accounting of K.S. Sadiga or Maheshwari. These are the things you can refer, the books you can refer for the your reference, okay? From next chapter, next class, we will start with the first chapter, that is the job and batch costing, okay? All the first for the semester. Thank you.